In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Facebook. Keeping your Facebook password up to date is an important part of protecting your account, especially if you've had the same password for a long time or you think someone else might know it. I'll walk you through each click slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to the Facebook website. Make sure you're already logged into the account whose password you want to change. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It might be your profile picture or a small circle icon. Click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. In that menu, look for the option that says Settings and Privacy. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Click on Settings and Privacy, and this will expand to show you a few more options. From there, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage different parts of your Facebook account. On the left side or near the top, you should see an option called Account Center. This is where Facebook now manages settings that can apply across your connected accounts, like Facebook and Instagram. Click on Account Center to open it. Inside the Account Center, look for Password and Security. This is the section where you control things related to logging in and keeping your account secure. Click on Password and Security. After that page loads, find and click on Change Password. This will open the area where you can actually update your password. Now, just follow the on-screen prompts. Facebook will usually ask you to enter your current password first, to make sure it's really you making this change. Then you'll be asked to type in a new password and confirm it by typing it again. Choose a password that's strong and unique, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using something easy to guess, like your name or birthday. Once you've entered your current password, your new password, and confirmed it, click Continue, or the equivalent button on the screen. Facebook may ask if you want to stay logged in on your other devices or log out everywhere for extra security.